In this short guide, we'll show how to buy shares of Rejlers AB, a Swedish engineering and technology consultancy active in energy, infrastructure, and industrial automation, listed on CBOE Europe under the ticker REJLB.ST. This walkthrough is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker REJLB.ST to locate the Rejlers AB listing. Select the correct result from the list to open the asset page. On the Rejlers AB asset page, review the company overview, recent news, and the price chart. Confirm the name, market CBOE and ticker REJLB.ST so you are viewing the right stock. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled as pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your Rejlers AB position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link and additional resources are provided in the video description.